What if your burger came from a lab? Imagine a world where the meat you eat doesn't come from a farm, but from a high-tech laboratory. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. Welcome to the future of food, where lab-grown meat is set to revolutionize our diets and the way we think about food production. Imagine biting into a juicy burger, savoring the flavors and textures you love, but instead of coming from a farm with animals grazing in the fields, it was grown in a lab by scientists using cutting-edge technology. Today we're diving into the world of lab-grown meat, exploring how it's made, its benefits, and the challenges it faces. This innovation might just change what we eat forever. So how does it work? How do we go from animal cells to a delicious meat dish on your plate? Okay, let's break it down. Lab-grown meat, also known as cultured meat, is produced by taking a small sample of animal cells, usually muscle cells, and placing them in a controlled environment. These cells are then placed in bioreactors, which you can think of as high-tech ovens. In these bioreactors, the cells are provided with the necessary nutrients and conditions to multiply and grow. Over time, these muscle cells multiply and form tissue, eventually becoming the meat we can cook and eat. This process eliminates the need for raising and slaughtering animals like cows, chickens, or pigs. It's all done using cells, making it a more efficient and potentially more ethical way to produce meat. Now, why should we care about lab-grown meat? What makes it so important? First off, it's a huge win for the environment. Traditional farming methods are resource-intensive, using vast amounts of land and water, and they contribute significantly to deforestation and water scarcity. Not to mention, traditional livestock farming is a major source of greenhouse gas emissions, which contribute to climate change. With lab-grown meat, we can drastically reduce the amount of land and water needed for meat production, save precious resources, and significantly cut down our carbon footprint. Plus, it's more ethical. No animals are harmed in the process, which is a big deal for animal rights advocates. This means we can enjoy meat without the moral dilemma of animal suffering. But there are challenges too. The biggest hurdle right now is cost. Producing lab-grown meat is still expensive, largely due to the high cost of the technology and the nutrients needed to grow the cells. Scientists and companies are working hard to bring these costs down, but making lab-grown meat affordable for everyone will take time. Another challenge is consumer acceptance. Will people be willing to switch from traditional meat to something grown in a lab? It's a big question, and it will take education and time for people to get comfortable with the idea. Will folks be willing to switch from traditional meat, which they've known and loved for generations, to something grown in a lab? It's a significant shift in how we think about food. So, is this the start of a food revolution? Lab-grown meat has the potential to change our diets in a big way, making food production more sustainable and ethical. It could be the key to feeding a growing global population without depleting our planet's resources. But it's up to us to decide if we're ready for the change. Are we willing to embrace this new technology and the benefits it brings? Would you eat lab-grown meat? It's a question that each of us will have to answer as this technology becomes more prevalent. Let me know in the comments below. Your thoughts and opinions are crucial as we navigate this exciting new frontier in food production. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more insights into the future of food. Together, we can explore the innovations that will shape our world. Stay tuned for more exciting content on how technology is transforming our lives. The future of food is here, and it's more fascinating than ever.